Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miriam, and today we're diving into a hot topic that's been buzzing around the nursing community. Will AI take over nursing jobs? First off, let's talk about the rise of AI in nursing. It's no secret that AI is making waves in healthcare. From automating administrative tasks to enhancing clinical decision-making, AI is becoming a big player in the nursing world. Imagine this: you're swamped with charting, patient care, and a dozen other tasks. What if a robot could fetch supplies, deliver lab samples, or even handle some of the documentation? Enter Moxi, a robot designed to handle logistical tasks and reduce your workload. Moxi isn't here to replace you, but to assist with those time-consuming non-clinical duties. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now let's get one thing straight. AI is here to enhance, not replace, nursing roles. Nursing is all about complex decision-making, critical thinking, and empathy. These are qualities that AI simply can't replicate. Sure, AI can provide evidence-based recommendations and predict patient outcomes, but the human touch remains irreplaceable. Imagine having an AI-driven tool that predicts potential complications in real time. You could intervene proactively, improving patient outcomes and taking personalized care to the next level. That's the power of AI when it's used as a collaboration tool rather than a replacement. But let's not ignore the ethical considerations. The American Nurses Association emphasizes that AI should support and enhance the core values of nursing: compassion and respect for patient dignity. It's crucial for nurses to be involved in developing and implementing AI tools to ensure they align with ethical standards. There's also a growing concern about AI impersonating human therapists. This raises ethical issues regarding transparency and patient trust. Legislation is being considered to prevent AI systems from posing as certified health providers. This highlights the need for clear boundaries in AI applications within healthcare. As AI continues to evolve, the role of nurses will adapt accordingly. You'll be overseeing AI technologies, ensuring their proper functioning and ethical application in patient care. This means acquiring new skills, particularly in data interpretation and analysis, to effectively collaborate with AI tools. And let's not forget about the administrative burdens that contribute to nurse burnout. By automating routine tasks, AI allows you to spend more time on patient interaction. This not only enhances job satisfaction, but also improves the quality of care. So, will AI replace nurses? The answer is a resounding no. The unique combination of critical thinking, ethical judgment, and empathy that nurses provide is indispensable. Instead, AI will serve as a valuable tool, augmenting nursing practices and allowing you to focus more on the human aspects of care. Embracing AI in nursing requires thoughtful integration, continuous ethical considerations, and a commitment to preserving the core values of our profession. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the nursing world. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on AI in nursing. Until next time, take care and keep making a difference.